Today I want to talk about compressors and kind of a different approach of how I'm using them now with more of my cleaner tones. I kind of got my reverb where I want it, like that real spacey reverb. On the Tone Master Pro, I'm really liking this large hall reverb. That's what I'm using for that. But I couldn't get that real full sound I was wanting. And originally I was using this dynamic compressor, which is great. I can kind of do what I'm wanting to do with it as well. And what I've started doing is, especially for those kind of cleaner tones, this is with it bypassed, there's just a little bit of breakup there if I really dig in, but just more of my cleaner tones. Loving the 65 Blonde Reverb amp on the Tone Master Pro. I absolutely love it, but I just wanted that kind of more, that fuller sound, and so I started playing with this other pedal compressor. And what I've done is I've just cranked the compression up really high. I've got a pretty high attack as well, and then I'm using the level to kind of push the amp. So if I'm wanting a little more crunch, I'm using the level that I'm sending to the amp to get a little more crunch, a little more saturation, and I'm really liking what I'm getting out of it. You can just hear the sustain is just awesome. And so yeah, obviously with it bypassed, it drops quick. It just doesn't have that full body. And like I said, you can use that level if I want to push that amp more, get more saturation. I mean, I'll go extreme here so you can see. But you kind of find that sweet spot of saturation. So yeah, that's my updated preset for the 65 Blonde. That's the old one, just kind of thin and weak. But once I got that reverb where I liked it, I started really messing with the compression to get that saturation, get that. Even this dynamic compressor is really good too. You can play with it, but I'm kind of liking that other compressor more and more. But yeah, I'll upload this one with the pedal compressor to the cloud if anybody's interested in it. But yeah, just kind of a different way to think about using your compressor and taking advantage of that saturation, getting that great sustain. And I feel like it's a great combination with that large hall reverb. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. We'll talk to you later.